I am back in the camera compare video. Today video about his Redmi Note 7 48 megapixel camera compared to 12 megapixel camera. Redmi Note 7 dual main camera. First one 48 megapixel 1.8 aperture and 5 megapixel depth sensor. Redmi Note 7 normally click 12 megapixel per photo. If you go to Pro mode and click 48 megapixel, you can click per photo 48 megapixel. I am already made Redmi Note 7 Pro 48 megapixel and 12 megapixel camera compare. Check out description line. Hey there, I am Shahadat from SHADAT'S. So let's start the video.